Skalzang Mani. It's called Skalzang Mani. Skalzang Mani. Taşı dile. Şurada da. What a beautiful stream. Serkhang. Ta dikau ta mamu bi kharsa building dinjungi kusho dinju de mane danga yung yoresa khonzu yung dungan desa. So these two, the white and the red units building, they are prayer areas for monks when they visit this area. It's perched right up the hill. Look, there's a stream, the village of Hunder, and then the desert at the back. What a cocktail of landscape. Man, nowhere in the world I've seen this. Desert, river, greenery, and then bare mountains all over. Wow. Then the Skalzang Mani ki tsachimo dilale so. Ani Gombola karisa di.
Kusala istoria la kina rangjo su de tembik.
Allah.
C'est da if shiri seido.
Oh.
Ani kusude.
Oh.
Da di dodo sunya kina rangjo de.
Rangjo. So basically, it's naturally formed in Mani karma. This is amazing.